Okay, as you've seen by the video title, this is about a 2006 Yamaha Tmax that's getting all three air filters replaced. Starting with the air filter up the top here, the air filter, or whatever the other air filter is here, and then the one on the other side. 3 new boxes. They cost me $187. They're legitimate Yamaha ones. Look at that. Let's see if I can. There you go. Oh, it's broken. Look at that, it's broken. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's the Variator. Now to the other side. Probably could have actually just loosened this, I think, and just put that back on. Haha! Okay, mirror's off. Just like that. That comes off. I'm not fussed. Well, that one doesn't feel very strong at all. Bloody flat now. I think I might know why they actually opted for the flatheads. There you go. Right. Sunglasses off. Sunglasses on. Sunglasses off. Sunglasses on. This is lots and lots of filth. So I just took the front panel off, as you can see, and if you look in here, look at all of that gunk. That stuff is disgusting. Just keep it right there. Look at it all. Yuck. And all in here too. So we're gonna have to do a lot of spring cleaning. So I took the front off, which is over there, and that gunky stuff that you've seen in there, which you can't really see, that's the little mechanism for it, where it drains from. So getting all these off, I pretty much just labelled them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I did the same on the other side of that. That way you don't get them mixed up. Recommend doing that with a gold pencil. I didn't get my pen license, you know what I mean, these things. What are these things called? Permanent markers. That's what I'm talking about. Anyway, it's alright from one side. From the other side, it's disgusting. And you have this fella down here too. So, these two, the vacuum cleaner's coming out. I'm going to give them a good clean, see how they go first, and I'll report back. So I took the transmission air filter off, I guess, as well. Ran it through the vacuum cleaner. And it's pretty much haggard. I don't know if it's going to be able to show you in there. But it's done. It's absolutely just... I gave it a good clean with the air cleaner. The vacuum cleaner, I don't have an air compressor. And I cleaned this as well, but... really, I should just replace the two. They're pretty terrible. Well, there you have it. Genuine Yamaha air filters. Old. New. So, as the video title said, air filter replacement for a Yamaha Tmax. Okay, I've taken all the panels off. One goes up here. One goes over here. And the third one is the air filter for the engine intake crank. I don't know the names of the other two, but yes, it does take 3 filters. So, look how dirty they are. Can you see that? Look at that. That's disgusting. So there you go. Engine air filter, air intake filter, Variator filter. Easy.